If your knee makes this sound, listen carefully. Most knee cracking is harmless, but if the sound comes with pain, swelling, stiffness, or difficulty squatting, your knee may be losing smooth joint movement. And no cracking does not always mean arthritis. Sometimes it's tight muscle, weak quads, poor tracking of the kneecap, or early cartilage irritation. The problem is people ignore the warning signs for years until simple things like stairs become painful. Healthy knees should move smoothly without discomfort. So don't panic because of sound alone. Never ignore pain with sound. I'm Dr. Yogesh Sisodia, sports orthopedic surgeon. For knee related problems, WhatsApp me on this number.